Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan and I will show you which fuse to check in case your rear wiper is not working. This video should apply to first generation of these vehicles made from 2012 all the way up to 2017. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the rear wiper fuse will be in a small fuse box which is under the steering wheel. So first you want to lower this compartment down, and then you'll actually have to lower it all the way down because the fuse box is just behind it. And to do that, I'll turn on the flash on my phone. This compartment is being held here by two like tabs. You see one on this side and one up here on the opposite side. So all you have to do, you have to kind of push these sides inside and then push down. So ideally you would do this with using both of your hands, but okay, and once you have it down, you just pull this cover towards yourself to completely remove it. You see it's being attached here and here. Now you have full access to all of the fuses. Okay, now the rear wiper fuse will be this 15 amp fuse located right here. So this is the first thing you want to check, and this is the fuse responsible for power to rear wiper motor. Now if this fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You want to check the rear wiper switch, and then you want to check the motor itself. You want to test if the power is coming to the motor. If it is and it's not working, that means the motor probably failed, and if there is no power coming to it, then you have some kind of wiring issue somewhere. But hopefully this will fix your problem. When you're installing this cover back in place, you first want to attach these bottom pieces. They should just pop in place, and then close it all the way. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.